Bath bombs. Who doesn't like a great bath, right? It's such a perfect way to end the day. Are you a bath bomb person? Do you love taking baths? Would you like to learn how to make your own bath bombs? Well, after watching this video, you will learn how to make bath bombs on a budget. So I'm going to walk you through the list of ingredients and we're going to make them together. So first of all, you want to make sure that you wash your hands. I'm going to put some gloves on, some latex gloves just for extra hygiene. So the first ingredient in a bath bomb is baking soda. So we've got our baking soda here. Baking soda is a great cleanser. It's really good for cleaning. You can also use it as a toothpaste substitute. So we're going to use 1 cup of baking soda. We've got our 1 cup of baking soda. Next ingredient is cornstarch. And cornstarch is what binds everything in your bath bomb together. So half a cup of cornstarch. Cornstarch is also used in baking as well. And the next ingredient is Epsom salts. And Epsom salts are great in the bath on their own. They're good for sore muscles. We've got half a cup of Epsom salts. I got these at Costco. I find that they're probably one of the most economical places to get Epsom salts. This was $9.99. Sometimes they even go on sale. And then we need our citric acid. And citric acid is what makes your bath bomb fizzy. I got this at Lifestyle Markets in Cook Street Village. And what it reacts with the baking soda to make your fizzy bath bomb. So half a cup of citric acid. All right, so once you have all your dry ingredients, I'm just going to whisk it using a whisker here, like so. Careful not to spill over your bowl here. And then the next ingredient is your oil. So you can use a variety of oils for your bath bomb. You could use coconut oil, olive oil, you could use your favorite massage oil. And today I am going to use 100% cocoa butter. So this smells like chocolate. It is amazing. I picked it up at Nez Naturals. And why I like to use cocoa butter is that it's very moisturizing. It's also good for a variety of skin conditions such as psoriasis and eczema. But it really leaves your skin very moisturized when you have it in the bath. So I'm going to use 6 teaspoons of cocoa butter or whatever oil that you're deciding to use. And I had to melt this on the stove in a double boiler because it comes in a hard form. So we've got 6 teaspoons of oil. And then I'm going to take this whisker and whisk everything together. Now I'm going to add a little bit of water as well. I like to use a spray bottle just so I can control how much water I'm using. Like so, just do it a few sprays. And the next ingredient is our essential oil. So you could use whatever essential oil you like. For today's bath bomb, I am going to use a nice essential oil, again from Nez Naturals, called Sweet Dreams. And this one is really good for sleep. And who doesn't like a great night's sleep, right? So I'm going to add in a few drops of oil. Depending on your preference, you can use more or less. I like to use quite a few drops, like somewhere between 10 and 12 drops of essential oil. All right, so now I'm going to get my hands into this mixture and massage the bath bomb mixture. So basically you want the consistency of wet sand. That's how it should feel. So it should clump together quite easily. And this is actually the perfect consistency. So fun fact, making bath bombs is a bit of a science experiment. So depending on the weather, the humidity, and your altitude will basically dictate what your bath bomb mixture turns out like. So for instance, if you live in Saskatchewan, your bath bomb recipe will turn out differently than it will in Alberta at altitude. So I find because it's very humid in Victoria and we're at sea level that I don't use as much oil as most recipes call for. And also on a rainy day, I found that making bath bombs, it doesn't work as well because the recipe just crumbles. So you optimally want to do it on a nice, dry, warm, sunny day, like today. So all those factors influence how your bath bomb turns out. Just like baking, it's kind of the same principles of science. or if you've made sourdough or something like that, it's kind of the same thing. So once your mixture is ready there, we're gonna add in some color. So I like to use mica powder, and mica powder is what's basically used in most soaps. It's safe for the skin. It's also doesn't stain your bathtub. And what I really like is that they come in very vibrant colors, and the colors last for a long time, like when the bath bomb sits. So we're gonna add in this liquid fire color. It's kind of a hot pink, like pink. So just kind of use your own judgment with the color. And then we're gonna mix that together here. So we've got a great consistency. I would avoid using food coloring. Food coloring is probably not the best choice for our skin and body, whereas the mica powder is definitely safer for our skin. I ordered my mica powder on Amazon. It's probably the best place to get it. So we've got a nice light pink color here, which is perfect. So now we're ready to put our bath bomb mixture into molds. So we've got a variety of molds here. I like to use these ornament halves. I picked these up at Michael's. They're basically like an ornament half. They're about 50 cents each at Christmas time, so they're perfect for making bath bombs. The other option, these came from Amazon. They're just another metal type of bath bomb cup. On the alternative, you could use an Easter egg. These are great for Easter or for kids, and I got these at the dollar store, super cheap again. So whatever your preference is. So we're gonna mix our bath bomb in our cup here. So when you're doing your bath bomb, you just want to press it really hard, pack it down nice and firm. So the nice thing about bath bombs is that you can personalize it. Again, they've never turned out the same for me every time. You can add in your own different essential oils, different colors. You can layer the colors, make them for different holidays like Christmas or Valentine's Day. They make great birthday gifts too. So anyone that likes a bath will appreciate a bath bomb. I know I take a bath pretty much every night, and it's kind of a nice way to end the day. So we've got our bath bomb mixture all pressed there, and now we want to just press our bath bomb together. And now there we go. So I like to place, especially if it's a round bath bomb mold, I want to put it somewhere where it's not going to roll all over the place. So a muffin tin works really well, or just placing it on a tea towel. I would suggest leaving it sit for at least 24 to 48 hours. If you want your bath bomb in more of a hurry, then you can put them in the freezer for about 30 minutes. So let's test out our bath bomb and see if it actually works. So I've got my fish bowl here. Hopefully you can see that. So I've got a little bath bomb tester, and let's just see what happens here. And we've got a nice fizzy bath bomb. It worked, yay! I don't know about you, but I'm really looking forward to a bath tonight. Whoops, I hope that doesn't flow over. Don't do this at home. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give a thumbs up. And if you have any comments, please feel free to put that in the comment section. Well, I hope you learned how to make bath bombs on a budget, and if you are adventurous, give it a try. Let me know how your bath bomb worked, and I hope to see you at the next video soon. Enjoy your bath tonight. Sleep well.